My name is Magdalena.
My name is Muhsine.
My name is Rafiuddin Najam.
I'm a McNamara Fellow here at the World Bank.
Previously, I was a McNamara Fellow.
And Robert McNamara Fellow with the Development Impact Department at the World Bank.
I knew that I wanted to build a career in research, in academia, and I wanted to engage a little bit more in development economics. So I thought that I needed more exposure to that before starting my PhD. That's when I came across the McNamara Fellowship. So I applied and I was lucky enough that I got in.
I applied for the McNamara Fellowship after I graduated from a Master of Research in Economics. I realized that I really wanted to be part of it, not only because it's a great professional opportunity, but really because I think I shared the vision developed by the fellowship that is inspired by Robert McNamara himself. His vision was to create a world of peace based on prosperity. Motivated by this vision, I applied for the fellowship.
Why I'm interested in this experience is primarily driven by my personal and professional curiosity. Growing up in Afghanistan, how does development actors were engaging to address poverty and assist children to go to school? So that's the topic I'm very passionate about. The bank is doing a lot of innovative and great work in this domain. So being a practitioner of public policy and a researcher, this is a great fit for me.
One of the things that I've liked the most is that I've been exposed to a lot of training in a whole lot of different topics, and also a lot of different conferences and seminars with very important people that I wouldn't get the chance to be exposed to if I wasn't in the World Bank. When I started here, the first training that I had to do was the Reproducibility Research Fundamentals course. It's a course where they teach you how to make all the research that you do to be reproducible. This means that all your do files and your codes and your data can be reproduced by another researcher and just get the same results that you have in your research papers. It's putting me ahead of something that it's gonna be probably mandatory in the future.
I had actually the opportunity to travel to Tanzania with the team, and I think this experience also really helped me to understand that being an economist is not only being able to be very analytical oriented, but also to understand what are the needs on the ground of the people who are directly involved with trying to resolve a particular challenge.
I think the program is designed very well. Many other fellows we all are coming from different paths of lives, gaining the experience that I thought was tailored to my needs, and that could help me both in the short term, but as well would be of a great benefit for me in the long run to learn these different ways of engaging in the policy world and how could research be translated into policy action.
Personally, it was really, the opportunity to be part of a cohort with people from all over the world, and each of us were working in different projects, but always, targeting the same goal, to end poverty. So I think this diversity really enlarged my vision and my curiosity. For me, what makes the McNamara Fellowship really unique is to be included directly with the economists who are working on projects here at the World Bank.
Personally, getting exposure to a lot of different cultures is a diverse institution. There are people from all around the world. I really enjoy that. And being comfortable, despite all the differences that we have, identifying the commonalities that pushes us toward being a better person, but also making a difference in this world. For me, growing up in Afghanistan, I never thought I would be working at the World Bank headquarters, but here I am.
I think this is like the best place to be exposed to development economics, and this is something that I will remember forever.